Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $25 to even $100 per hour as a virtual assistant. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. And so this could be beneficial for a lot of you to make some money fast online. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, I am back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money as a virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant is going to be a very flexible way for you to earn money. You can really earn a lot of money if you could get good at this position. Okay, you can start out lower rates so that you can build up your resume and get those higher rates when you go on your own. Okay, so when you first want to learn about how to be a virtual assistant, you may want to partner up with some companies, some platforms that already have clients, and that's how you can get started, get your foot in the door kind of thing. And so I'm going to show you some sites that you can partner with that can get you some jobs right away. And then there's also other ways where I'm going to show you that's more worldwide and for more people. Okay, the first site I'm going to show you is, it will be for the US. If you are outside the US, just hold on a second. I'm going to show you exactly what you can do. But anyway, if you're in the US, this is one of those sites, Zirtual.com. So this website offers virtual assistants to companies that need help doing whatever it may be. So it could be handling their email, it could be handling their expenses and invoices, or calendar management, time management, social media stuff, traveling, booking traveling, is researching, content, writing, data entry, event planning, website stuff. There's so many things that you can do as a virtual assistant. For you to try to work for Zirtual, you need to come down to the bottom and click on work for Zirtual. So here it says Virtual is seeking only US-based applicants at this time and are only accepting applications for the positions and locations posted under the career sections of this page. If you do not see a position you're interested in, check back periodically. So right now they have actually 3 VA positions that are remote for Columbus, Texas, and Phoenix. And then they have these other positions that are not virtual assistants. So you will need to be actually in Ohio for these positions. Okay, so only the last 3 is for virtual assistant jobs. The next one is going to be at Fancy Hands, fancyhands.com. This one is also available for US based, and this one you will actually earn about $3 to $7 per task. So it just depends on how long it would take you to do a task. So for this particular one, the front page is going to be for their clients. So you just want to come back and say, click on jobs. So work for Fancy Hands. Fancy Hands offers virtual assistants to everyone. To do this, we need to have a team of great assistants, so you can apply using this button here. So when you click on this button though, it will go to another page about working from home, and here you're going to get a lot more information about, are you good on the phone or great internet searcher. So this is the type of things that you're going to be doing. The work is not going to be hard. You're going to be doing stuff like this, making appointments, making calls, tracking down things, researching, data entry and calls, and so forth. And so see, $3 to $7 per task. They do want people of all sorts that can stay up on all hours. Just depends on where you are. And so you could apply for this if you're in the US. Here's another one that's going to be worldwide. This particular one is called 24/7 Virtual Assistant, but their link is actually 24/7, so 247 Virtual Assistants with an S.com. Okay, so it's 247 virtualassistants.com. So you get to this page. For this one, you can apply from all over the world. Even though they talk about US-based virtual assistants here, this company is actually based in US and India, and they actually hire from all over the world. So you can apply to this one. So this one is very easy, very simple. You just come down to the bottom and click on careers. And then on the career page, you have this email. See, this is so confusing. Okay, the link that I'm looking on right now has an S in the domain, 247virtualassistants.com/careers. And then the email here has no S. So I don't know if this is going to work, this email, but they have it on here. So you could try that first and see if it bounces. Then I would add the S right here and see if that email will work. So I just noticed that. And they pay here, average pay for a US virtual assistant is between $10 to $12 per hour for here, okay? So this is going to be on the low side because this is for entry people. You're not going to need a lot of experience. You're just going to need some basic organizational skills. If you have some office experience, then you could probably apply for this. You're not going to be doing anything too difficult. You're going to be doing more administration stuff, okay? So if you want to earn a lot more, you do need to kind of go on your own and go on a site like Upwork. So on Upwork, you can sign up as a freelancer. And when you're a freelancer, you can charge whatever you want. So people in the US are going to be charging a little bit more than usual because they are in the US. So here's $25, $38.54. There's also lower rates too for the people who are in the beginning of their career as a virtual assistant. And there's $20, $14, $31.25, $25.25, and so forth. But if you click off US, then you have different rates like $5, $15, $6, $13. This person is listed on both, so I'm not sure where that person is. So this one says $6, $7. So you can see how much you can earn. But also on this site, you could also look for jobs. So you could look for a virtual assistant and apply to them directly. So you don't have to list yourself and then just sit there and wait. You can actually start searching and apply for positions. So you could just click not US only. So if you're not in the US, you can just click that off and then see what else is available for you. So these listings here mean that they don't care if you're, in the US or not. 6 to 8 hours hourly is a virtual medical assistant, so administrative assistant, 10 to 30 hours. So a lot of them don't post rates, but sometimes they have a fixed rate and there's a budget. So you could just see what is available for you. And I want to show you guys a resource that's really good. If you really want to do this as a full-time career for yourself, you want to get good at it. And so right here, this is vanetworking.com. And on this first button right here, this is a great page for you to go on to learn about being a virtual assistant and how to be one. And this is 10 free resources to start your service-based business. And so you can be your own virtual assistant company, and all these different articles are going to help you how to get started, what you need, like worksheets and whatnot, contracts and so forth. And so you have all these resources here to help you get started with being a VA. So I love that. And that's why I wanted to show it to you. I believe this one is also worldwide, and then people could come to this site and hire VAs here as well. But if you are a VA who wants to get hired, you have to become a VA insider. So what does that mean? So it's a yearly membership if you want to do this and be a part of their job board. So this is how much it will cost if you want to do that. For monthly, it's $37 per month. Yearly is $333, which is not bad because you're going to have legit companies going to be posting jobs on there, and you're going to get really good inside opportunities that no one else will get on the internet, right? So that's another good resource. But you don't have to use that service or this particular service to pay. I would just use the free services that they have on this page. They have this page here as well. If you click on Become a VA, you can see this person's journey, see, you can make anywhere from $25 to $100 depending on your service. And this is what she does. She charges $125 per hour. And so you can get very high up in your rates if you do this on your own and freelance with other companies. And so you can work your way up to that kind of rate. And I've known other people who make 6 figures being a virtual assistant as well. So this is a great resource for you to check out. And then I know I have a lot of followers who are from the Philippines, and this site is going to be for people who wants to work as a VA from the Philippines. So if you're one of those people, just go to virtualcoworker.com and you're going to come to the very bottom and click on looking for a job, and then it's going to take you to the Philippine site. So this one is actually virtualcoworker.com.ph. Okay? And so that's what I want to show you today, because that's a lot of the information or resources that I gave you to become a good virtual assistant, how to become one and make good money from home doing it, and you do it remotely from your home office. But if you don't want to work for anybody and you want to go on your own and just do your own thing and build an online business like I have, I don't have clients, I don't have, I don't work for anybody, I don't trade my time for money, because that's what you're doing when you work for somebody. You're trading your time for money. What I do online, instead with my online business, I work on my online business, and all the work that I put in, I earn over and over again from that work, because my business is on the internet. So it's live any time of the day, so I could earn any time of the day and work on my own schedule. So that's why I love my business model, and I hope that you would want to try that too. If you do, try the first link in the video description, because it's going to teach you exactly how to build a business like mine, so that you don't have to make money working for other people and work for yourself. So it's going to be the first link underneath the video description, and it's going to teach you some online skills that you're going to need to learn how to build an online business and what kind of business you're going to be making. It's going to teach you everything, and you can do whatever business that you want, really. So I really hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my videos come out. I come out with videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out, so get notified, okay? So I hope I'll see you on the next one. Bye.